The marketing world has changed. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the engine driving explosive growth for businesses that know how to use it. Are you still relying on outdated tactics while your competitors leverage the power of artificial intelligence? You could be missing out on massive opportunities to boost your ROI, save time, and scale your business like never before. But implementing AI can be complex. Where do you start? What tools do you use? How do you integrate AI into your existing strategy? That's where we come in. Introducing your free AI Marketing Jumpstart guide. Inside, you'll discover 3 proven AI-powered strategies that top businesses are using right now to optimize their ads, automate their engagement, and drive predictable, scalable growth. This isn't just theory. It's practical, actionable advice you can implement immediately. Stop guessing. Start growing. Stop falling behind. Start leading. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your marketing? Click the link below. Download your free AI Marketing Jumpstart guide today.